My name is Jenna Head, and I dual specialize in hunt seat riding and the equine rehabilitation and therapy. I chose to do a dual concentration because I was both interested in riding. I enjoy riding, but I also felt as a career path, I wanted to do more rehabilitation and veterinary things. If I learn, I want to be learning how to do it like with my hands in the barn, with the rehab modalities and the hunt seat riding. Like, there's really no other way to learn it other than to be hands-on. I've always kind of known I wanted to come here. Just the facilities are incredible, and I knew it was a smaller college and smaller class sizes and very hands-on, so very similar to where I came from when I was in high school. In high school, I wasn't super big into sports, and I kind of always yearned for the athletic experience. And so to be a part of an athletics team and to be a part of a team doing what I love, which is horses, is just a really cool experience. And team spirit and practices and just extracurricular activities is really something special. Most of our shows are in Saratoga Springs, so sometimes it's hard for them to get there, but if it's not, my dad, my mom will try her best to get there, or my sisters, they do really enjoy watching me show. When we're at Saratoga Springs, like at Skidmore, you're drawing a horse randomly that you've never ridden before, you're getting on the horse, you're adjusting your stirrups, and you're going in the ring. So there's really not a lot of time to think. You just kind of have to remember your training, remember to breathe, it's all gonna be okay. You just have to stay calm and trust yourself and trust your training. I won at regionals, so I received the Morrisville State College Perpetual Trophy that gets passed down every year from different riders, from the riders in our zone and region. That was a tough class and tough competition, and when they were placing the class and I didn't hear my number, and because they place it from bottom to top, I was really excited, really surprised, super happy, really thankful for the coaches I have here and everything that they've helped me achieve. I just pointed into a new division, so I really am just excited to get back into the ring, and hopefully, obviously the goal would be to point out of my division again to attend regionals in the spring. That would be my ultimate goal, and obviously to do well, and potentially if I make it to regionals and do well, to go zones, and then obviously to nationals is the end goal.